So, my partner touched on a lot of topics such as the privatization, and I would like to just go further kind of more to the moral section of it. A quote from Deborah White, she's a political informant, and she states that many pro-lifers believe that the proper moral and religious course of action is to save existing life through embryonic stem cell therapy. So, actually many pro-lifers, which is actually people who are against abortion, they decide that, or they believe that stem cell research is good because it allows people who are currently hurting and currently just have intense diseases to just be well. So I'd like to, and with that, I kind of want to go into more of the research side. So if you could raise your hand if you know someone who has any of these: cancer of any kind, almost any kind, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, spinal cord injury, organ damage, or had a transplant. Wow, can everyone raise their hand? Wow, that's like 99% of the people. Well, fun little fact, embryonic stem cell research can help find cures or prevent those issues. That's by Michael Pham and Jenny Hesson from the University of Nevada. And so, let's think about that. Our lives would be so much different if stem cell research was allowed, because it would affect almost everyone in a positive way. So, and then another thing, just think about it. So if we're not allowing stem cell research, what are we doing with those extra embryos? Because they're still being made. That's something that we have to do. We have to make more. So if we're still making them, where are they going? They're getting destroyed, as I said earlier. And if they're going to get destroyed, why don't we first research and then destroy them? That sounds a little weird. Let's just use that for research so we can cure all those diseases. There we go. That makes more sense. So, if we continue, then I just hold on. Yeah, so as I said earlier again, a lot of people who are in control of these legally do want stem cell research. So why don't we let it happen? Because that is what the people want. And if we're talking on a political standpoint, the Constitution says we the people, which means that we the people have the power and we should have our voices heard. So another thing that Dr. Kaufman said is, the question is, what is the most respectful way to treat these valuable embryos? Destroy them or provide researchers valuable insight that may develop life-saving therapies and cures, as I said earlier. So just looking at that, it would be so much more effective for them to be used properly in a research way, and then applied in a practical way where people will be actually saved. So I would just like to finish with just a couple of questions, so just to think about. So is it killing to implant 2 or 3 stem cells at a time in hope that one will survive? And also, so if we're going to abort these embryos, why don't we put them to use instead? So those are just some questions to think about. And with that, thank you.